Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to another episode of Quick and Easy 101 Recipes. Today, novice-friendly plate will be demonstrated by Baby Doll.
Yes, guys, it's a novice-friendly recipe, and of course, like most of our recipes, I really think all of our recipes are novice-friendly, don't you?
They are.
They're fun.
Yeah.
We have fun creating them.
Yes.
Now this dish, again, we are yet to name this dish, guys. We don't have a name for it, but we're going to create it.
And it's so quick, so easy, and so delicious.
Did you practice that?
Yes.
Here we have our coconut milk, and I have some cooked quinoa that was already prepared, so we're just going to heat that up. Okay guys, so here we are, we're back, and we're just going to show you how we make a nice bowl of, this is hot quinoa, but by the time I finish putting all the fruit and everything, it won't be so hot. It'll be warm. But I do have everything here on hand. While we were off camera, we went on and prepped our fruit, and we just pretty much got everything together so we can just go right away and show you what we're doing here. You're probably wondering, like, what sweetener am I going to use? I took some of the mango I showed you early. I think I showed you. If I didn't, yeah, I told you we would be adding mango. So what I did is pureed some of this mango, and we're just going to drizzle it all over the top of this quinoa.
That looks nice.
Yeah, it tastes even better than it
Yes.
looks. So anyway, that's what we do. We take our fruit, our fresh fruit. See? We have a few blueberries here. I'm just gonna drop the blueberries in there like that. I'm going to add some chia seed on top. What do you think, honey? Should I add some chia seed to this?
Yes. Yes.
And some goji berries?
And goji berries.
Okay. Now I'm just going to pour a little bit of our coconut milk. Remember I told you I would put a little bit more milk in that? Okay, here we go. A little bit of coconut milk in this nice, wonderful bowl of goodness.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, that's going to be nice and sweet and delicious. Oh my goodness. I can hardly wait to really. Alright guys, so here we are. Going in to get a little bit of our quinoa. Want to try to see if we can get a piece of this, each fruit to put on there. Probably can't. My spoon is too little. But here it is. Here it is, guys. Doesn't that look good? Alright guys, so here you have it. So quick, so easy, and so delicious.